So, drifting officially just saved my life. To everyone who's all like, it's dangerous and you shouldn't do it, you're idiots, because I'm literally, like, this car is currently running because I know how to drift, and I currently don't have a broken nose because I know how to drift. The brakes in this car are, like, horrible, and the front tires are pretty much shit. So when I came to come down my parking garage, or down the ramp to my parking garage, the wheels locked up and I started sliding, going way too fast. So you can clearly see what happened. I was going straight for the wall, I would have hit it, kicked out the parking brake, and it's the only reason I didn't crash the car. So yeah, like, I was freaking out certain that I was gonna fuck my car and have to pay for damages to the fucking building, but I ended up going perfectly sideways, didn't hit a single thing. Fucking awesome. Okay, so I didn't expect to be able to do any hooning in this thing, but with a working parking brake, it's actually pretty fucking ballin'.